Alright guys, so in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can add an anchor to your Wix website. It's important that you're in the Wix editor. So you have to click on the plus icon here on the left and click on Add Elements. And here you will have to go a little bit down and find this Menu and Anchor section. And here you will see the anchor. Just have to click on it. Now there are two types of anchors. There's the in-page menu anchor, but for this video, I'm just gonna go with the classic anchor. So let's just click on it. Now you can name your anchor whatever you want. I'll just name it Golden One. Now anchors are important if you're trying to lead your audience to a certain section of your website. And here you can set the anchor URL, which is the suffix of your website. And once you're done, you just have to position it wherever you wish. You can drag it up and down as you like. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.